Hi guys, I'm here with a $1 haul. The only thing I took out of here, I got another one of those Beatles shirts that I showed you that came in the box. Might even be around here. It might even be over there somewhere. But yeah, I got one of those and they were $5. So these were Crayola foam letters. I believe these are self-sticking. Maybe not. No, I don't think they are. They're just 266 pieces in here, and these were $1 or $2, so I got them for crafts. They also had these really cute, let me just see here, from Planet Socks, which is a good name. These Disney Mickey Mouse slipper socks, and they're like the old-fashioned kind like I had when I was a kid. I think I found some for my kids, but they're really cushiony. And they're size 4T, 5T, so they were really cute. And these were like $1 or $2 as well. Okay, and then got these. So I have some Walking Dead fans for stocking stuffers. It says, "Stay in the house, Carl," from AMC's Walking Dead. And then there's Zombie Storage, Herschel's Farm. There's 2 pair of socks, and I believe these were $2. And again, these are, you know, authentic AMC merchandise from The Walking Dead. So that was a really good deal if you have any of those fans on your list. And then I got this Conair set of styling combs. So there's 12 pieces in here, all different types of combs. And as these are always going missing, and there's quite a variety in here. Let me just show you. Of all different kinds. And these I think were $1. So you've got 2 of these fine combs. You've got a large wide tooth. You've got several of the small ones. These are good for my boys. And then you've got one like that. And you've got another one like that. And you've even got one of these. And I believe, like I said, these were $1 for all of these combs. So you can't beat that if combs are always going missing. And they are made with pride in the USA. So it's really great. Got a pair of these in my last one. I really like them. These are a pair of Thieves socks. There's 2 pairs. There's a mom pair and a kid pair. And these were, like I said, $1 or $2. And it's worth it alone for the mom pair because they have amazing breathability. They're moisture wicking. They're performance cotton blend, and they're have an uber comfy fit. They're great for all kinds of sports and hiking, and they're just really great quality. Like I said, $2 for 1 pair alone, but then you get the kids pair. So I think that's a great twinsies. You can hashtag it. But anyway, they're by pairofthieves.com, and you could see what the normal price on them, and it's more than that. And then these, I love these kind of flour sack towels to use in my kitchen because they're really nice too when you bake bread and stuff and you have to cover a bowl, and I just like the way they look over the farmhouse sink. Well, this was, let's see, has lavender, and it has a dry gin, lemon, royal rose, soda water, and mint, and that was nice. And then it just has this purple stripe. So these were, I believe, were like $1 or $2, and looks like they're originally from Target. So still even a better deal than you get in the Target section. Whoops, I almost knocked my coffee for a loop. Okay, and then these Cat and Jack fashion tights. They're like real sparkly. They're really cute. These are 12 to 24 months. And Cat and Jack is another Target brand, but they're normally $4.99 at Target, and these were $1. I believe they were $1. And then I got one of these. You couldn't pick the kind, the reusable toe pads. I use these a lot on vacation, but they're also great to have for shopping bags. They're really nice. Like I said, I have one that I used on vacation, not this exact one. It was even a little bigger, but it's the same type of material because like if you're in a water park or something, it's great to carry suits in and stuff because the bag I carried was much bigger, but this one you could just put in your purse. everything dries fast. Even a better deal than you get in the Target section. Whoops, I almost knocked my coffee for a loop. Okay. And then these Cat and Jack fashion tights. They're like real sparkly. They're really cute. They're nice to have in the car as well, especially for vacations or go to the farmer's market or something. They're nice to have. Okay. And then sometimes you can't even judge on dollar.com, dollar1.com, but we put shelves in the basement, so we're having a lot of those like solid kind of totes. You know, there's Rubbermaid or Tucker totes or whatever you call them. And I thought these would be good these are dry erase. That way we can change them, you know, for Halloween decorations, Christmas decoration, Easter, whatever. And I believe, I hope, no, there's just 6 count in here, but these were $1. They're really bright and vivid, and I thought they were nice. I think I got 2 of them, but if I didn't, next time I order, I will. And this was a really cute, let me see here. This is a newborn girl set by Gogh. And I believe it may be 3 pieces. Let me see, it's 2 or 3 pieces. And again, it was like $2. It is 3 pieces. It was like $2. It comes with the little panty. They're not, you know, diaper cover, whatever you want to call it. And then it has this cute little dress for a newborn, and then this cute little long sleeve shrug with a little bow, and it has snaps. Just ultra adorable. So that was nice, and that was like $2, I think. Now I was going to say, you can't judge sizes on $1, and sometimes you're really pleasantly surprised. Like now, I like these planners. I still like to have a nice planner that I can hold in my hands, and I know I was buying one for this year. I bought it in Burlington. It was like after January, and it was okay price, but this I think was $1 or $2, and I can't believe the size of it. It's by Brit & Company. It says, bonus, redeem your free online class. And I don't know if that's still valid. It's got that elastic, and it's really nice because it's, you know, you are capable of amazing things. We believe everyone is creative. Redeem your class online, so there's something to do that with. And then it's 2017, 2018. Well, it said it was a 2018 planner. So let me see. I know that we have a few months left, but there's other things that go into this. So then I believe with this company, and I think this is okay, you can say, yeah, you can use it. It's kind of perpetual because you can put any date on that, Monday, Tuesday, whatever week. Okay, and to me, it was $1 or $2, even if, and I think it is refillable, but if it wasn't, you can put any date on here, so you can just go ahead and finish 2018 and go right into 2019. Okay, so I thought that was nice. I'm very impressed with that. Okay, and then these were DC Comics, Wonder Woman and Batman pencils, and I thought these were cute. These were $1, and these are from Target, but I of course didn't see them because I didn't get to Target, so it's nice that I can get it there. And I got some pads that go along with them. I'll show you them in just a moment. And then I picked these up. These are Exhilaration Socks. These were $1, I believe. I couldn't even see what they were. They are snowman with glasses and stuff, and these were $1. And I thought they were cute. These are nice from Exhilaration. And then they got some of these Post-its. These were $1, like little Christmas stockings, and they are also to and from tags. Oh, I got 2 of these. I got a pair for my daughter. She always needs socks, and she's actually coming in tonight. So that's good. Now, oh, this is good. These Walking Dead air fresheners. My son just got a new car. My other one has them. Like I said, they love the Walking Dead, and these are vanilla scent, and I believe they were $1. I got a few of these, and I know my kids would like these. And so again, this is Walking Dead merchandise, so that was really neat. And then I got this Wonder Woman for myself, magnetic list pad. And I believe this must also be from Target, but it was $1 as well. And the pencil goes with that. Okay, and then, oh, these are really cute. These were $2, I believe. Happy birthday string lights. So these are nice to just put up in the background when someone's having a party for the picture. They're battery operated, and I will check them out here. They are 6.6 feet long. So I just thought that was that's really nice when someone's having a birthday and my husband is celebrating one. He's the next one. So we'll try them out. Okay, I don't know what this is that I'm pulling out of here. Oh yeah, the complete Alf set. This is an amazing deal. I think this was $6 for the entire costume. Hat, pants, shoes included, Jingle Bell accents, and this is a medium 8'10". And this is by Fun World. So that was a neat find. I think I got 2 of those. Okay, and then, oh, here's another neat find, and maybe we'll do these this weekend. It's raining right now. Fabric Estelle, as a blogger, they sent me a bunch of stuff this past holiday season, Christmas season. And I thought it was really nice, and their stuff is very high quality. And they have these paint by number sets, and my kids have never done that, but we used to do that all the time as kids. So I got a few of, I think I got at least 2 of these. And they're the Sunflowers by Vincent Van Gogh, and I believe they were $2. So you really can't beat that at all. That's a great brand, and it's a great kind of craft to do. Okay, and I'll show you something else that you've seen at least 3 times. If I can get it out of the box. I can't get it out of the box yet. All right, hang on. Okay, whoa. Okay, here's something else that I was quite impressed with from the last time. The Advent calendar set, and I thought these would make great gifts. Very nice. You hang one on the tree, or you can hang it on if you don't have your tree up at that time. You could put, a ribbon across somewhere. You could hang them anywhere. You could have a special little Advent tree, even if it's a branch that you took from outside and spray painted white and put in, plaster of Paris or something in a little flower pot. There's lots of things you could do, but it's a really nice Advent calendar and storybook set, and it was only $2. And if you look here by Workman Publishing, again, there's another company that I normally work with, the regular price on this is $16.95. So really, really great gift idea for you, and it's a great, family item for yourself. So, and so this is another one. Okay, and let's see. Let me get some stuff out of here while I can. Now, okay, I ordered some colored chalk. I believe this was 50 cents. This one they broke a little bit in there. It's by Hello There. American Crafts, I think they were 50 cents. Okay, so then there's 2 Superman pads. These are for my husband. He really needs to keep a list, so maybe he'll do that on those. And then you've seen me haul this guy here. Well, I was planning to give the last one to my son, and my other son took it, so I got this for my other son, and it's Scout Mob, made by Lucius Art, Lincoln Park, Chicago. And it's a nice wood block with that funny bear drinking that beer. So that's for my one son, my other son. Okay, let me just get to the rest of this. Okay, I often need a stapler. They're never around to be found. A lot of the cheaper ones in the Dollar Tree, you know, I'm scared to use them. They don't work right. This was a swing line. Okay, we all know that name is quality. So what I like, I didn't even realize, it's a mini little stapler. It has a clip on it, and staples are included. Let me see. Here, I can open it to show it to you. It's really cute. Okay, it's polka dots, and it has the little clip here, and let's see. Tot stapler with clip, staples 12 sheets. So this is really good to have handy. You can clip it somewhere, but yeah, a little tiny little swing line stapler. I believe that was $1 or $2. Okay, and then they have these baking cups. I don't even remember ordering those. That's funny. And then another Wonder Woman pad. And then I got these Expo dry erase markers. These I think were $2. And let's see what else. Yeah, I know I ordered more Walking Dead air fresheners than just 2. I wonder if they're stuck in something in here or in the box. They might be. Let me see. I'll have to check my packing list, but let me see if they're in any of this stuff. Here's another one of the Alf costumes, but okay, my camera was not cooperating. I'm going to check on that, on those air fresheners. So I believe I bought at least 3, but I'll see. All right, I'm going to put this stuff away, and, you know, let me know what your favorite item was. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.